You open LinkedIn and start scrolling. Job after job flashes by. Roles that spark hope, companies you admire, titles that feels like they could be yours. You polish your profile, you tweak your resume, you hit that apply button again and again. Your applied jobs list keeps growing, but the status never changes. Days turns into weeks. The only notification you get say thanks for applying and then nothing. Sometimes there's a crisp rejection email that stings more than the silence. Often there's just an empty inbox where your future should be. It feels like shouting into the void, no feedback, no closure, just an ever growing stack of unanswered submissions. Imagine sending out 1,000 applications and hearing nothing. Frustration quickly morphs into exhaustion and doubt. It feels lonely and unfair, but you are not alone and there are still paths forward. Now, the question is why we are not getting shortlisted, why we are not getting the calls. Stop sending one size fits all resumes, tailor them to the job. Missing keywords, the ATS will never see you. Messy formatting or the wrong file type, straight into the trash. Typos scream carelessness, too long or too short. No recruiter has time. A weak summary. They won't know why you matter. A confusing career story or outdated skills. You just lost their attention. Fix it or forget it. Stop begging for replies. Let AI tear through the noise and land you interviews. So here's the secret to stand out in today's job market. Watch closely. I start with my existing resume. It's plain, generic, like million of others. Next, I head to LinkedIn, copy a real job description and keep it ready. Now comes the game changer. I take both files, my resume and the JD, and simply drop them into ChatGPT. In seconds, AI scans every detail, compares line by line, and begins tailoring. It reframes my experience, adjusts the wording, and highlights exact keywords recruiters are looking for. For resume tailoring in ChatGPT, we'll be using prompt engineering. When I use a smart prompt, rewrite my resume to match this job description, keep it professional, concise, ATS friendly, highlight the skills that align. Suddenly, the output is laser focused. My resume now mirrors the job posting, uses the right keywords, and instantly increase my chances of passing ATS filters. That's the magic of prompt engineering. Small changes, massive impact. What I get back is not just my old resume, it's a version customized for that specific role. Sharp, targeted, impossible to ignore. Instead of sending the same resume everywhere, imagine sending a laser focused one for every opportunity. That's the power of AI resume tailoring, and it's just took me less than a minute. You can directly export your resume into polished Word file version. There is no need of copy paste text from ChatGPT. After downloading this Word file, you can review the content and some more edits are required, then ChatGPT can directly edit in the Word file by providing suitable prompts to ChatGPT. Now we will see the comparison between a simple resume and an AI powered resume aligned with the JD and role. For this, we again provide a specific prompt to ChatGPT. It will derive the key comparison of the resumes. The key difference: the simple resume talk about me, but the AI optimized resume speaks to the job. And that's exactly how we increase our chances of getting noticed, passing ATS filters, finally landing our dream job.
When you compare these two resumes side by side, the improvements are clear and directly aligned with what executive recruiters look for. The older resume reads like a traditional CV: long paragraphs, repeated sections, and a generic summary. In contrast, the tailored version is streamlined and organized. It opens with its role specific executive summary that immediately highlights P&L leadership, lean manufacturing, logistics, and process optimization. Recruiters favor achievements that demonstrate impact, so the tailored resume replaces technical descriptions with concise, quantified results like cost reductions and productivity gains, showing proof of performance and ROI. Now it's time to let ChatGPT work its magic on your cover letter. AI can craft a tailored, compelling introduction that aligns your strengths with the company needs. We just need to provide an effective prompt to ChatGPT. It will draft the effective cover letter for you. After getting the cover letter, it will automatically transfer this text into the Word format. Job search today is not just about sending resumes, it's about preparing smartly for interviews, and AI is your best ally. So, let me show you how I used ChatGPT to prepare for my dream role using just a few smart prompts. You can have a conversation with AI regarding perspective challenging questions that can be asked during interview process. These questions can be based on technical, domain specific, HR perspective, or organization specific. Based on the data context submitted, like resume, job descriptions, or other relevant web link material, it realigns all the context to be asked during the interview process. You can train yourself for the answers in a smarter manner. There are dozens of specific AI tools available that are designed for interview preparation. These are having the capabilities from GPT text-based to audio and video, capturing body language, impact, and expression of a person. These tools showcase the diverse ways AI can elevate interview readiness, from voice coaching to technical simulation and role-specific analysis. Incorporating them into your course will provide learners with practical resources tailored to different needs and budgets. If you want complete automation process through AI, from job search to multiple job applications in a single time, that can also happen by configuring n8n automated workflow. AI gave us a new way to think, work, and grow. Now it's your turn, not just to apply for jobs, but to apply your potential.